Welcome to MyAgFood. Installing MyAgFood on your Android phone allows you to access department services quickly without opening a browser each time. Open Google Chrome and go to myagfood.ie. When the website opens, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap the three-dot menu. A list of options will appear. Depending on your device, select either Install App or Add to Home screen. If you don't immediately see these options, scroll through the menu until you find them. Tap Install App or Add to Home screen. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Install or Add to continue. That's it. MyAgFood will now be added to your device and will appear on your home screen. To access MyAgFood in future, simply tap the MyAgFood icon.